For nearly 3 decades, the XStar has been the undisputed choice for those who demand nothing less than perfection. We've redefined our flagship from bow to stern, infusing it with attitude, amenities, and attention to detail that others can only aspire to. The latest generation of XStar is more than a boat. It's a statement. It's a bold move into a new era of MasterCraft. It's available in 2 sizes, XStar 23 and XStar 25. Today, I'm here to walk you through the XStar 25. This rebirth establishes the XStar as the true flagship and halo product of our fleet. And with XStar, top shelf luxuries and features come standard, including all of the following: underwater RGB transom and docking lights, an observer display, a powered helm seat that moves up and down as well as fore and aft, wireless chargers throughout the interior, the renowned supercharged 6.2-liter engine, and a stern thruster. To complete the XStar's stunning contemporary aesthetic, our design team has incorporated backlit badging to accentuate the boat's beauty while on those evening cruises. Before we get into the details, here are some quick high-level specs. The XStar 25 is 25 feet 7 inches in length and has 4,050 pounds of ballast and has a drive weight of about 8,400 pounds. To get rolling, let's chat about the surf performance behind the XStar 25. Truly, it's an entirely different surf experience. Have you ever been out with a large group of friends and wondered how you could get that same wave without all the passengers on board? Well, now you can. With stock ballast and just an average size crew of 4 to 6 people, you'll be able to enjoy the most powerful and versatile waves in the industry. And you can do so in a matter of minutes thanks to standard fast fill ballast technology. And even with the amplitude gains, we've retained our signature wave adjustability. Thanks to our SurfStar system, we can build steep, barreling waves and simultaneously deliver an approachable wave for kids and adults who are just getting started. To be the best in the world, it must be the best for everyone, regardless of their size or skill level. Lastly, due to the significant increase in wave amplitude, surfers can now experiment with faster speeds to create a firmer wave for more advanced tricks and additional push and wave power. History has proven that world-class wakeboard performance and the XStar go hand in hand. Some hull modifications from the previous generation XStar allowed us to increase pop and improve wake symmetry. Big thanks to our team of naval architects for creating the most beautiful and consistent wakes we've ever seen. The dry weight of the XStar 25 also leads to more amplitude even with just stock ballast. While the XStar 25 has a world-class wakeboard wake that rivals anything in the industry, we also have factory profiles and a transition shape that'll allow all skill levels to enjoy wakeboarding behind our icon. With light ballast, the boat can still wakeboard at slow speeds to help make the activity less intimidating for those looking to learn and progress. Another important performance aspect for a towboat in the ultra-premium category is the driving experience. The XStar 25 is powered by a standard Ilmor Supercharged 6.2-liter engine, the most powerful engine in the towboat segment. Thanks to 630 horsepower and a plethora of bespoke amenities for the captain, the XStar 25 delivers an exhilarating and refined ride and drive. Furthermore, this new XStar received brand new software and hardware and has comfortable running angles when surfing. Now that we've discussed the performance aspects of the XStar 25, let's shift our focus to the interior. At first glance, you're greeted with tasteful details that don't overwhelm the eye, coupled with beautiful design motifs that pervade the boat. Up in the bow, you'll find a modernized version of the iconic pickle fork bow that set this trend in motion for the towboat segment over 20 years ago. Sturdy, built-in armrests make the space feel refined and welcoming. An open walkway leads into the bow, but you can opt for a filler cushion if your crew prefers playpen seating. There's plenty of underseat storage in the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. The refined U-shaped cockpit of the XStar 25 is perfect for socializing and entertaining. Both the seats and the SeaDeck have an exquisite linear, quilted pattern that's part of the holistic design language of the boat. In particular, the linear SeaDeck design creates more depth and interest throughout the interior. The XStar 25 also introduces some new branding and badging, including the Shadow Shield. The Shadow Shield is a modern iteration of our traditional Shield logo. With all the contemporary enhancements to the interior, it's important to note that we haven't lost any of our signature MasterCraft comfort. With options like the in-floor Murphy seat, this innovative cockpit space is perfect for an upscale on-water get-together. If the Murphy seat is not selected, you have the benefit of a functional below-deck storage space. Unique to the XStar 25 is the A-frame structure behind the helm seat. This design element delivers a number of convenient features: a comfortable rear-facing seat on the starboard side, a social table, an additional valuables tray to complement the one at the helm, and the option of a refrigerator that's integrated into the base of the versatile structure. If the refrigerator option is not selected, you'll get a functional starboard storage drawer at the base of the A-frame. There's also a dedicated cooler location aft of the A-frame, along with plenty of underseat storage throughout the cockpit and under the observer seat. Just aft of the cockpit, there's a cascading yacht-inspired walkthrough that makes ingress and egress seamless for those of all ages. The transom has luxurious loungers with MasterCraft's patented ergonomics. They're often referred to as the best seats in the house. The helm area of the XStar 25 is both opulent and inviting. Captains will love the luxurious X-shaped steering wheel that's unique to the XStar line. Piano black framing around the large digital displays sets this helm apart from anything else in the MasterCraft fleet. A dual screen configuration is standard on the XStar 25 and is comprised of a sleek 15-inch center display and a massive 12-inch touchscreen off to the right side of the helm. While the hardware is beautiful, we've worked tirelessly on the software side to deliver a user experience that's both intuitive and immersive. Another distinguishing feature of the XStar 25 helm is the 4-camera system. It allows the captain to have improved awareness of what's going on around them. This system has a tower camera, transom cameras on both the port and starboard sides for keeping an eye out for your surfer, and a bow camera. To make this camera system customizable and user-friendly, we've provided the ability to configure which feeds are present based on the boat's driving mode. Additionally, in order to make on-the-fly changes easier than ever before, we designed MasterCraft MyDrive, a rotary encoder that puts key controls at your fingertips. The hotkeys, coupled with the rotary dial, allow you to make effortless adjustments while keeping your eyes focused on what's ahead. A wireless phone charger is conveniently located under the 12-inch screen, as well as the captain's valuables drawer. Last, but certainly not least, captains will enjoy the convenience of a standard stern thruster that's beautifully integrated into the throttle knob. This powerful thruster provides best-in-class maneuverability at slow speeds and is an extremely useful tool for those tight docking situations. One of the most important design elements of the new XStar 25 is the reimagined Z100 tower. This tower is unlike anything we've ever built before, and it's the punctuation mark to the boat's sleek, contemporary design. The Z100 tower is exclusive to the XStar, and it offers power folding with dual switch stations at the helm and aft. This allows for easy adjustment from the swim platform when necessary. It's available in 7 durable powder-coated colors to complement your custom gel design, and it can be equipped with either our Heritage or Rigid Premium bimini. Additionally, the Z100 has redesigned side tow points, MasterCraft logo projection lighting, backlit badging, along with XL surf racks available in silver, black, or gold, and new audio pods. And speaking of audio, now's the perfect time to delve into the XStar's unprecedented audio system. The new XStar redefines immersive sound on the water thanks to 7 customizable zones. Full transom sound, not just rear wake subs, is an industry first and will create a premium soundstage for surfers to enjoy. We refer to this unique transom soundstage as MAAX audio. Here's a quick rundown of the audio components of the XStar 25. 6 subwoofers, 10 interior cockpit speakers, 2 in the bow, 2 in the dash, 4 in the cockpit, and 2 downfiring from the tower, 6 transom speakers, and 4 tower speakers. That's 26 speakers total, delivering 4,750 watts of peak power. So with the new audio system, you receive almost double the power of today's system. The XStar 25 is the ultimate representation of MasterCraft's commitment to innovation, performance, and luxury. This unique product embodies our legacy and foreshadows our future. And our promise to always have your back comes in the form of MasterCare, a 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. I'd like to mention one last exclusive benefit we've created for our XStar owners. We realize that luxury isn't just a product, it's an experience. As a result, we've implemented the XStar Concierge program. This program delivers personalized service for a brand new level of luxury. You'll have a dedicated expert who will provide white glove service around the clock to ensure that you're always able to make the best memories with your MasterCraft. Lastly, thanks to standard onboard telematics, your concierge and your dealer can remotely monitor your boat's vitals in order to assist you with your service needs. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like any additional information on the XStar 25, please reach out to your local dealer, connect with us on any of our social platforms, or stop by mastercraft.com.